Hey all friends, welcome to my channel Girl Gaming Hub. Our game is Shoe Designer Studio. Firstly, we will select the shoes. I select boot making here. First, will we repair the shoes? We will wash the shoes with the help of soap. Wash the soap with water. Dry the shoes. Repair the shoes with the help of needle. Repair second part. Nice work. Add glue. We will use 3 drops of the glue. Now it is time to make shoes more beautiful. Decorate the shoes. Yes, perfect. Add a beautiful sticker. Add flower. Yes, perfect. Our shoes is ready almost. Thank you for watching it.